Shifting focus now to news coming in. There is an update in the Chaitanyananda Saraswati molestation case. Delhi police has now filed a charge sheet in the Patiala House Court against him and several other accused. Remember, he was arrested in September from Agra. The court has now put up the matter for consideration tomorrow, where it will hear the charges against Chaitanyananda Saraswati. The self-styled godman was arrested on allegations of sexual assault of at least 17 female students. There was allegations of fraud and forgery as well that were leveled against him. He was on the run after the FIR was filed. Eventually, the law caught up with him and he was arrested in Agra days after the FIR was registered against him. And now he has been charge-sheeted. Anshul, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details. Anshul, what more details can you share with us? The charge sheet has been filed. We're given to understand that the court will hear the matter tomorrow now.
Yes, this is the procedure that after the arrest had happened, exactly 2 months after that, the time period that Delhi police had, they have been able to file a first charge sheet in this entire matter. Remember, according to the investigation that was done by the Delhi police, it had come out that there was a clear case of forgery that was done by Swami Chaitanyananda, and apart from that, the other girls whose names were given, in fact, whose statements were recorded. Remember, more than 22 women had recorded their statements against the manner in which they were allegedly assaulted and harassed inside the campuses and outside the campus of the college as well. Now, finally, the Delhi police has gone ahead and filed the first charge sheet in this entire matter. The details or the hearing on that charge sheet, the court will consider that tomorrow. It remains to be seen will the court admit that charge sheet, or some changes would be asked to be done in the format of that charge sheet. That is something that will be decided tomorrow. But yes, the first charge sheet in this entire matter has been submitted. It is going to be very, very interesting to see what kind of evidences has the Delhi police been able to gather apart from the statements of the victims. Because evidence is something that is going to be of high value at this point in time in this entire matter, and it was already a big challenge for the Delhi police to actually go back in time and to figure out the exact time when such instances might have happened. And that is something that the Delhi police will have to prove in front of the court with tangible evidences that what kind of action was taken by Swami Chaitanyananda against these women who have gone ahead and recorded their statements. So tomorrow the court will consider the admission of the charge sheet, and then in the coming few weeks we can expect that the arguments would start on the charge sheet that has now been submitted by the Delhi police in front of Patiala House Court.
Now, Anshul, we're given to understand that this charge sheet is not just against the self-styled godman, but at least 3 of his female staff members who were also arrested for facilitating this sexual abuse, this sexual harassment that took place at their institute.
Yes, there were the names of at least 2 of his other staff members had come up, along with the name of another employee of the college had also come up. All especially these 2 female staff whose name had come up, they were actually alleged of facilitating and actually building pressure on these women women to go ahead and accept the demands or the claims that are being made, advances that are being made from the side of Swami Chaitanyananda. In fact, a few of the students had also alleged in their statements that these 2 women actually used to threaten them as well, that if at all they do not accept the advances that are being made by Swami Chaitanyananda, their degrees would be withheld, they wouldn't be allowed to give their exams. And it is through this that the pressure was built on these women so that they accept the advances, alleged advances that were being made by Swami Chaitanyananda. And so all these, whereas the third person, in fact, who has been named in the charge sheet, has been named in the in connection of forgery and fake documents that were given to the university from the side of Swami Chaitanyananda, due to which the university had employed him and kept him at such a high post inside the said college. So definitely there are a lot of layers that have now been investigated by the Delhi police. What is going to be interesting is the kind of evidences that they have found in this entire matter, if those evidences will be accepted by the court, and what kind of action or what kind of arguments would happen inside the courtroom. That is something that is going to be very, very interesting, but definitely a big success for the Delhi police, as they have been able to file the first charge sheet just in time.
Right, Anshul, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front.